And we're out here today in the beautiful mountains and deserts of Baja, California, and we're testing and working on a new product to help people that go off the grid. So at Satellite Phone Store, we're always on the hunt for the latest and greatest in communications, whether it's to keep people safe, keep you connected, or let you run your business anywhere you want. Problem with that is as soon as we leave cellular connectivity, Wi-Fi's gone, internet's gone. We lose access to all the apps we've come to enjoy and use every day. However, that's changed. So if you've ever driven anywhere and you don't have cellular connectivity and you're used to using apps that you enjoy and love, well, I got good news for you. There's a brand new product to let you do that. Explorer 323. This little unit's going to run you about $3,400, $3,500. We're also going to have some rental options coming out really soon. What it does is it stays locked onto geostationary satellites anywhere you drive, no moving parts. One little cable into power, now you have a Wi-Fi mobile hotspot. I can access any applications I want. If I'm a firefighter, I can be checking the weather. If I'm an ambulance, I could be looking up my next dispatch. If I'm a businessman, I could be sitting there on my iPad while everybody else is having a beer break or something, and I could be banging out some emails so I can go ride again and not have to worry about what may be going on while I'm off the grids. So it works on the Inmarsat BGAN network. It's a network we're used to using now for almost a little over 10 years. Solid network, it's still got many years of life left in it. And the Explorer 323 is the latest product for this network. This is made by a company called Cobham. It's a flat panel, well, sits up a few inches, but it's a flat panel, no moving parts. Connects with one cable into power. Now you have a mobile rolling Wi-Fi hotspot. Make your own Wi-Fi anywhere you want. Make your own office anywhere you want. You can do this for many different applications. I think from experience, I can see this being really useful for off-roading and chase trucks, UTVing, racing, also for a lot of our first responders and ambulances, wildland firefighters. I can see agriculture. I can see many different applications where we want to be able to have internet, Wi-Fi, or even just sensor data, sensing certain things going on in the vehicle, going on in the tractor, going on any type of piece of equipment we have. So exciting new technology. It's available now. This is the first time you're going to see this. We're one of the first companies to get our hands on it, so I'm really happy about this today. We're going to keep making some more videos, making some more content, show it off to y'all, show you how it really works. But if you're interested right now, go to satellitephonestore.com, chat with our people. They're experts. Give us a call, and we can get one out to you today.